Hey friends, if you wish to fix video TDR failure nvlddmkm sys error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. Now obviously the first approach is to update the graphics card drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list of display adapters. Right click on the adapter and update it to the latest version. The next one is to right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The last solution will be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator in the right pane and type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.